Welcome to Lesson 5. Before we begin, a quick note about this course. These lessons are designed to be listened to in the background while you work inside DxO PhotoLab at your own pace. If you prefer more visual, screen-recorded tutorials, you'll find plenty of those on my channel as well. Also, DxO PhotoLab is free to use for 30 days, which gives you more than enough time to work through this course and see if it's a good fit for your workflow. If you decide it is, I'm offering 15% off DxO software, and I'll leave that link in the description below. Now, make sure you have DxO PhotoLab open. In this lesson, we're going to look at presets. A preset is simply a saved collection of editing adjustments. Rather than starting every edit from scratch, you can apply a preset and instantly give an image a particular look or starting point. Presets are a great way to learn because they help you understand what's possible inside the software. You may already be familiar with the idea from cameras like Fujifilm, where people use recipes to create different looks. Those can be great fun, but as you've probably noticed on social media, they can also make a lot of people's images look very similar. The advantage of presets in DxO PhotoLab is that you can build your own style. You're not limited to somebody else's recipe or editing approach. To find presets, go to the Customize workspace. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Presets panel. Clicking on a preset will instantly apply a collection of adjustments to your photograph. Depending on the preset, this may include changes to exposure, contrast, color, sharpening, noise reduction, and other correction tools. The important thing to understand is that a preset isn't magic. It's simply a collection of saved editing decisions. That means a preset won't necessarily look perfect on every image. A preset that looks fantastic on a landscape may not work as well on a portrait. A preset that suits a sunny day might look too strong on a cloudy image. Think of presets as a starting point rather than a finished edit. Once you've applied a preset, take a moment to look at the image. Does it feel too bright, too dark, too contrasty, too colorful? If so, you can simply adjust the individual editing tools afterwards. One of the most useful things about DxO PhotoLab is that you can create your own presets. Once you've edited an image and you're happy with the result, you can save those settings and reuse them on future photographs. For example, you might create presets called travel, street photography, black and white, portrait, or landscape. Over time, you'll build your own collection of looks that suit your photography style. This can speed up your workflow dramatically, especially when you're editing a group of images taken in similar lighting conditions. A simple workflow might be: choose an image, apply a preset, adjust the image to suit that particular photograph. Save the settings as your own preset if you like the result. Then use that preset as a starting point for future edits. The main thing I want you to take away from this lesson is that presets are not filters. They're simply saved editing decisions. Used well, they can save time, help you learn, and allow you to develop a style that's uniquely your own. In the next lesson, we'll look at exposure and learn how to control the overall brightness of a photograph inside DxO PhotoLab. Don't forget to subscribe to Simon DxO for more tutorials. And if there's something you'd like me to cover in a future lesson, leave a comment below. I'll see you in Lesson 6.